because there is definitely 100%, there is definitely love for black people and black cultures worldwide. I probably need to go back on that tweet and DM her and tell her she changed my life, but she said to me, "You're not Native American, you wouldn't know." And I say, you know what, girl, period. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel, I am Diamond. If you're returning, thank you again for coming back and continuing to watch my videos, supporting my channel and my content. I do appreciate you. When you leave comments, remember to use the hashtag DiamondGang and I will give you a shout out. Now, I'm currently at 180 subscribers and I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I will be bringing you similar content, or more types of content as I grow and have the ability to do so. But for right now, doing my commentary videos, I really like that you guys are enjoying it. So for me to give back to you guys on my level that I'm at right now, I am doing comment shout outs. The best comment, the funniest comment, as long as you use the hashtag DiamondGang in the comments. So do that and I'll give you a shout out. Thank you so much. Now to the video. Are black people hated? I don't think we are. Let's talk about it. How do you hate someone or something but you cop the style? You get what I'm saying? Do you buy shoes or clothing that you dislike and then proceed to wear them daily? No one does that. You buy stuff that you like, you buy stuff that fits you, that's good quality, so you can get multiple wears from these items. It's the same thing with race. If someone is copying you, do the cultural appropriation, black fishing, all of this stuff, if someone is, they're literally copying you. They want to be like you. They're acting like you. It cannot be hate unless they hate themselves and they want to be like you because they hate you so they can hate themselves more. I don't know. Some people would say black people are the most hated, most loved. But I would say we are the least hated, most copied, least respected, because there is definitely 100%, there's definitely love for black people and black cultures worldwide. What you guys need to understand, and I have a video coming, there is a difference between respect and love. You get what I'm saying? People can love you and not respect you. There are people who are not of the black culture and disrespect black people, but still cop the black style, wear the braids, wear the Bantu knots, and over excessive tanning, and can't be hate, gotta be love. I'm black, right? And if there's a group of black people who say they don't appreciate this and this is offensive to them, and another group of people who are not black do that thing after they've heard the person say they don't like it, I don't think it's because they hate the persons. It's because they want to be like them, and they want to be like them so much that they don't really care if the person is offended, if the person is triggered. But they do love the culture and the people. They just don't respect the people and their wishes. Now, let me give you an example of another race. Now, I was on Twitter and I saw a tweet and I thought it was cool, I liked it and I retweeted it. And I was scrolling through the comments. The tweet was cartoon me and real life me or something like that. And it was a while back, so I don't have any screenshots, but I can definitely look it up and edit it in if I feel like I want to. But the screenshots were like, a redheaded person and they would put brave, and the person didn't necessarily have to be white, they just had red hair. You get what I'm saying? So I scrolled down and I was liking all of them because everybody just looked so similar to the characters that they were saying they looked similar to, which is rare because people normally think they look better than they do. And I saw this girl. Now she's West Indian, so she's from where I'm from, and I think she's maybe Trinidadian or something like that. And she posted a photo. She is, I think, maybe black mixed with Indian, or maybe coolie as they say, but her hair is long and straight. You get what I'm saying? And she has the nose, she has the eyes. She looks like Pocahontas, all right? But she's not Native American. You get what I'm saying? But she looks like Pocahontas. Now, she posted a photo of Pocahontas, and she posted a photo of herself, and she says she looks like Pocahontas. So I saw the picture. I like the picture. Great. I told her she's beautiful, da 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 da. You know me, if you check my Twitter, I am black woman stan account, and overall people stan account, but mostly black women because we be struggling. Now I commented and I told her she's beautiful, da 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 da. She looked exactly like her, da da da, right? Then I saw a Native American comment on the tweet. The Native American said something along the lines of, "That's offensive, take it down." So I was like, because I was confused at first, and I was like, how is that offensive? It's a cartoon, you know, how is that offensive? And she said, okay, you know, and because she was like kind of mocking me, like how like I'm saying something's not offensive and I'm black, and I guess black people are always offended over something, but whatever. And I told her, I think I said not to get your panties in a wad or in a twist or untie your panties or something like that, I told her. And she had a whole group. I don't know if she DM'd them or what happened, but she had a whole group of Native Americans who came in and who said, no, you can't do this, and you gotta take this photo down, and this is inappropriate. And the girl, I don't know what age she was, but the woman or girl who messaged me, who responded to my tweet, told me something so simple, and that changed my life. I probably need to go back on that tweet and DM her and tell her she changed my life. But she said to me, you're not Native American, you wouldn't know. And I say, you know what, girl, period. Period. And this is what we need to understand with each other. It is called understanding and appreciating. We are all different. We are all triggered by different things. We all had different experiences. We all have different cultures. So me going under her post when she said it is inappropriate, and me saying no, it's not a big deal, it's just about hair, I was wrong and I had to apologize. And I personally DM'd the original poster and I told her, hey, you know, you saw the comments under your post. I know you didn't mean it in a certain way, but it is offensive to this group of people, so you need to take it down, okay? It is respectful to take it down. That is the right thing to do. It's not gonna kill you, and you're gonna make some people happy, and it's the right thing to do. Again, it's the right thing to do. It's the right thing to do. She didn't respond to me. Fine, whatever. And as I said, I apologize to the Native American women who were in the replies. There was a lot of them. And I was so grateful for that lesson. They're very smart people. Like, I knew they were smart, but it's just some like, you know, some basic stuff that the lady said to me, and I was like, wow. She didn't really even said that much, and I was like, wow. You're not Native American. You don't know how a Native American feels. You're not black. You don't know how a black person feels. You know? So if a black person tells you or anybody who is whatever tells you, hey, this is offensive to me, you know, don't do it, you know. We know it's not because you hate us why you do it, it's because you want to copy us, you want to be like us. But just try to respect us and not do it. You get what I'm saying? Show your love in respectful ways, you know. Don't love and disrespect, love and respect. Also, I have black friends, I have white friends, I have Asian friends, I have all kinds of friends, but I do not have any Native American friends, and I do not have any Latino friends. So if you're Native American or you're Latino and you're watching this, DM me. DM me. Slide in my DMs, baby. Period. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and taking time out of your day to support my channel. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing my videos, keep commenting and using the hashtag Diamond Gang. And you know, I appreciate all of you guys. As I said, I'm currently at 180 subscribers and I'm so grateful for you guys. So you know, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.